Hi, good day. My name is Ashraf Skut. I'm the owner of the Reef Restaurant in Saldanha Bay, and I would like to congratulate Dyersville Primary School for the career launch of 2026, and we're proud to be part of it. It's a local and is one of ex-student of Dyersville. Thank you for the opportunity.
Good afternoon, I'm Mrs. David Satzenberg. I'm the principal of Dyersville Primary School. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to have a career day at Dyersville Primary School. It's the first for our school, and I'm grateful for everybody that came today to support our career day. So thank you very much to everybody involved.
Thank you very much, Principal. Again, it's an honor for me to be at Dyersville, to give back to the community. I'm also a student, 1 to 2 years I was also here, so I'm very grateful that we can help develop the children here. The Dyersville itself, with the principal, is doing a very fantastic job in educating our kids and helping them to become better, give them more information for the future. Well done.
Goedemiddag allemaal, ik is juffrou Dirks, die Careerklub koördineerder. Dit is 'n uiterse plesier om vandag hier te wees. Die atmosfeer is asemrowend en ek sien uit vir wat hierdie klub nog vir ons skool gaan bied.